It's already funny as the music, bro. I can't. Man, okay. One thing you need to learn, bro. Raise the freaking volume of your videos.
How many times have you seen Mr. Depp use marijuana?
Too many to count. I mean, daily.
When you're working security for Mr. Depp, it's Mr. Depp and Mr. Depp alone that is your client, correct?
That is not correct.
Well, in fact, you saw Mr. Depp push or shove Whitney Heard, correct?
Absolutely not.
And it was only after Mr. Depp pushed Whitney that Amber stepped
better?
forward and
I
punched
want
him
to
in the
raise the
face. Isn't that
volume.
right?
That is not correct.
Your next witness.
Mr. Depp calls Jack Wiggum, who should be waiting in the electronic lobby.
Okay.
Poor guy is waiting in the electronics lobby.
Were you aware?
Oh, I gotta pause for a second. I don't know if she's still the lawyer. The blonde woman with Amber. I don't know if she's still the lawyer. But I was literally checking some shorts, and they showed like a couple of years back that her lawyer is a fan of Johnny Depp. She was in the first row taking pictures of Johnny Depp on an event or something.
Mr. Depp's professional reputation at the time you became his agent in October of 2016.
I saw that. I was
I
like,
would say objection leading, and I think it's going to call for hearsay.
I'll overrule at this point. Go ahead.
Johnny's reputation, in my opinion, was very well regarded and respected by peers.
Yeah,
in the artistic
was,
community.
Your Honor,
he was very artistic.
I'm going to object. First of all, he says in his opinion, which he's not an expert witness, and second, he's now going into hearsay.
No, I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Wiggum, Her Honors, you may continue.
I remember Brian Lord and myself finishing a deal that had started at the previous agency.
Objection, Your Honor. May we approach?
Okay. Hold on a minute.
poor guy. Poor. Is his name Andrew, or is this on the video? What is she saying?
What role was Mr. Depp to play in Pirate 6?
Objection calls for speculation.
I'll allow it.
And hearsay.
I'll allow it.
Hearsay, man. Every
Captain Jack
freaking
Sparrow.
time.
In 2017, to what extent, if any, was Mr. Bruckheimer supportive of Mr. Depp remaining in the Pirates franchise?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you, Your Honor. To what extent, if any, did Mr. Depp socialize with anyone at Disney in 2017, to the extent you know?
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll allow it to the extent he knows.
Do you know whether Mr.
I love
Depp
how, like,
socialized
every
with Disney?
sentence, they try with every sentence to object. It's like, you know, when you are writing and you finish a sentence and you put a dot so people know that is the end of the sentence. No, Amber's lawyers, they put an objection at the end of a sentence. So just so you know, it's the end of a sentence.
During 2017, yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor, foundation and hearsay.
I do.
You can lay a foundation to how he knows.
And Your Honor, may we please publish this to the jury as it's been previously. Oh, it is. Thank you. How, if at all, did Ms. Heard's op-ed impact Mr. Depp's ability to land roles in studio films between December 2018 and October 2020?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay, foundation, and expert.
I'll sustain
One
that.
of these are gonna work. Objection, Your Honor. So we have hearsay. Oh, okay, then compound. Oh no. All right. Next one, like, what the hell?
You're near the end, Mr. Chu. I just want to make sure because it's
I
coming
am,
up on
Your
our morning break. Okay.
This is an email chain with the subject line, quote, Johnny Depp's Jack Sparrow won't return.
Object to him reading even from that.
What the fuck? She's objecting him reading.
It's a hearsay document. He's asking questions from the hearsay document.
I'll allow that question. Let's see where we go.
Would you please explain to the jury what the message was about?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Hearsay. He's asking him to to essentially say
If we
what
want to approach for a moment.
Oh God, please fire that woman. Amber,
Mr. Whittam,
I
did
think
there
she
come a
fired her.
time
I'm not sure.
After Ms. Heard's publication of the op-ed on December 18, 2018, but before October 2020, that you learned more about Disney's plans about whether it would cast Mr. Depp in
She's
Pirate
already
6?
up.
All right.
I'm just asking whether he...
Okay.
She's
allow
already
that, allow
up. The
that.
guy didn't even finish the sentence.
Yes.
What, if anything, did you learn about the role Margot Robbie would be playing in
Pathetic,
Pirate 6?
pathetic.
I think that calls for hearsay again, Your Honor. I'm going to object.
I'll overrule the objection.
To what extent did you reach out to Jerry Bruckheimer or Sean Bailey?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay.
Bro, like honestly,
It
like
does not-
stop, woman, stop. Like, how many is this even allowed? Like, I heard that there is no rule of how many times you can say objection, hearsay, or whatever. Like, they can do it as much as they want. But in my opinion, there should be a rule. This is not all right. The guy is talking. He's trying to listen to what the question is. He's trying. Like, imagine you have a train of thought and this woman constantly is breaking it for you.
Not, Your Honor.
Overruled. I'll allow it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Man, it's getting me mad now. I'm mad.
Was your outreach to Mr. Bruckheimer
Funny anymore.
and Mr. Bailey successful?
Objection leading.
I'll allow it.
Oh, let's add leading.
When was the last time you
Actually
discussed
gonna
Mr.
write
Depp's
down
role in
everything she
Pirate
said
6
for
with
real.
Jerry Bruckheimer, Sean Bailey, or anyone else at Disney?
I'm going to object, Your Honor, on hearsay.
Overruled.
2019, I believe.
You're saying.
In addition to Pirate 6, did Mr. Depp lose other films between December 2018 and October 2020 because of Ms. Heard's op-ed?
Objection.
I'll sustain the objection.
In addition to Pirate 6, did Mr. Depp lose any other films between December 2018 and October 20?
Objection, Your Honor. First of all, I don't think he testified that he lost Pirate 6. Second of all, it's a
She's
leading.
now contradicting the witness's testimony,
no,
which is
no,
Just trying to ask the
inappropriate.
question
Both of you.
the other
Both
way.
of you. Overruled. Let's go. Next. Go ahead and answer the question.
Oh, she's
All
the
right,
judge
ladies and
is
gentlemen,
done.
go ahead and take our morning
Oh,
recess.
the judge is
Do
done.
not discuss the case with anybody and don't do any outside research.
Oh, she's
okay?
done. Both of you. Look, she's barely breathing. She's like. Oops. Oops. Like, honestly, what is this, bro?
He's testifying to the impact of the op-ed. I think it's, in fairness, we should be able to put this in and be able to make the comparisons.
It's clearly hearsay.
Okay, I'll sustain the
It's
objection.
not offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted, Your
I'll
Honor.
sustain the objection.
Okay. Well, let's go to... So do you recall that it says in here,
Objection, hearsay, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
She's just trying to backdoor your ruling.
Oh, Amber,
and the
great
press
choice
that
of
surrounded
judge.
that case, do you recall it being focusing on things like Mr. Depp's drug and alcohol use?
They have not. Oh, Andrew is the guy. Okay, now I get it. Why is it taking so long? Oh, did I say judge? I meant lawyer. Sorry. Yeah,
You don't
I
even-
meant bad
you don't-
choice of a lawyer.
It wasn't a big deal to you. You didn't read it in 2018, correct?
I have a wife, 2 kids, a full-time job. I don't remember.
Okay. And
I love how before mentioning the job and the kids, he mentioned the wife. The hierarchy, like the most time goes to the wife, then the kids, then the job. The wife takes a lot of my time.
you had no idea when you first read it? I just want to make sure I understand that.
Objection asked and answered, Your Honor.
Sustain the
Look,
objection.
I
I'll
wasn't...
sustain
I'll
answer.
sustain the objection.
Let's
Next
add
question.
that one.
Okay.
I sustain the objection.
Okay.
Next question.
Mr. Marks, you were asked
I can become a
series
lawyer
of
too.
questions about a
I'm learning.
number of publications and publicity related to
I will know how to
Mr.
object.
By Mr. Nadelhoff. Do you recall those questions?
He asked a lot of questions about a lot of articles.
Right, so you don't know how many people actually did the search for Johnny Depp in January 2004, correct?
Correct.
Did I
be
say
100,
judge again?
or
I
it could
meant
be a
lawyer.
million, right?
God damn it!
I don't know.
And you don't know if it's actually human beings doing these searches, correct?
As opposed
to bots or something like that.
I did not do an analysis to determine if it was a bot or a human being, but Google Trends is a tool that's going to show you during a time frame the highest point of search interest as 100.
Wait, Google Trends is awesome. I should maybe
you don't know if it's humans,
make videos
bots,
related to
my
Google
cat
Trends.
doing the searches, correct?
That has nothing to do with it.
Sustainable
I'm now in the flow of writing, all right, Lemil?
Now, texts allegedly sent by Johnny Depp about X read in court.
I mean, if you want to talk about these articles, we need to bring them up.
This is your opinion. You don't recall what articles you analyzed?
I mean, there's a lot of articles here. I
Dude,
didn't
it's 6
memorize
years ago.
each,
What the
title.
hell?
There were 6.
Man,
articles that you analyzed.
is it just me? But his lawyer's face, Johnny's lawyer's face is like you can't but like smile when you see it. Like it's so funny. It's so sweet.
Almost 2 years after the op-ed.
All right, can you bring those up? And we
It's
can
a
talk about
sarcastic
them?
type
I'd
of
be happy to
face.
discuss them if you would bring those up.
Yeah, it's
And
a
then
funny
you previously
face.
had a charge that had
I'm
articles
sorry.
from November 2020, correct?
You can just answer his yes or no
Oh,
question.
sorry.
That's fine.
I didn't hear your question.
You would make a good Santa? What? I would say more like Mr. Bean. The judge. I'm not talking about the lawyers. The judge is really done. Oh, and this woman is done too. Is this the woman that draws the things or writes everything? She writes everything that is said, right? She types everything. I think she's the...
You again.
You again.
I would trust Tom.
Wait, what does that mean? You again.
You again.
Stalker? Much? Okay, you again. Well, this was amazing. Did you fail or not? Let me know in the comments. Like the video for more. Thank you for watching and subscribe if you haven't yet.